Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to create one-time card on Klarna. Make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss any important information, and without further ado, let's get on it. So I'm going to show you the steps on how you can create one-time card here on Klarna. So first is you just need to shop with Klarna in the Klarna app. So just choose pay with Klarna whenever you shop in the app, or you can create a new one-time card in the app. And then you can set the spending amount. So enter the exact amount, including the shipping that you plan to spend. After entering the amount, you will receive an overview of the agreement as confirmation. And then next, just check out on the store's site. So when you are ready to check out, your address details will be pre-filled with based on your information on file. So if the Klarna does not already have your information, you will enter your standard billing and the shipping addresses. And then next, you can pay with one-time card already. So when you are ready to pay, just select the credit card option. Just enter the one-time card information as you would with any other card. So just enter the card number, expiration date, and the CVV code. And then lastly, just check the app for updates. So if you end up spending less than the amount on the one-time card, you can change the spending amount by selecting refund unused amount on the other page. Otherwise, the amount will automatically be adjusted after 14 days. So you can only use one-time card once and if unused. So the card expires after 24 hours. If you want to make another purchase, just create a new card and keep on shopping. So that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.